come with me to a show in Emden with Dance Masters. So when I first arrive at the venue, I just like to have a little look around, check out the stage and this lovely theatre we get to dance in. I then make a start on my makeup. This is just a really nice time to relax and chat to everyone in the dressing room and also listen to a bit of music. We do tend to have quite a bit of a sing-song during this time. It's then time to head upstairs and get mic'd up just for sound check and also get ready for line-up with Kevin. After this, I just headed out to get a bite to eat before coming back and making a start on my hair. I was clearly jamming along to a good song in this clip. Time for me to get organised and get out my brush and set out my costumes for the show, and then just make a few finishing touches on my makeup. Here I am ready for the opening number. I do have quite a quick shoe change in this one, so I just leave my heavies and tape ready side stage. After the show, we then get to go and greet the audience and sign their programmes. Here's the girls all packed and ready to go back to the hotel. Then I finish off with my compression boots after a great night of dancing.